In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off camera sounds on your PC. Whether you're aiming for some peace and quiet, or you want to maintain a bit of discretion while using your camera, getting rid of those persistent shutter sounds can be surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by locating your built-in camera application. This is typically pre-installed on Windows PCs and is your go-to tool for all things related to your webcam. If you aren't sure where to find it, you can simply use the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen by typing Camera and selecting the appropriate application. Once you have the camera app up and running, your next step is to look for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a little gear symbol and is typically found either at the corner of the app or within a menu. Don't be afraid to explore a bit if it's initially out of sight. Ensuring your settings are correct is worth the effort. Clicking on this settings icon will unveil a variety of options. Your objective here is to find the toggle or option labeled Shutter Sound, or perhaps Shutter Volume. It's a bit like looking for a needle in a haystack, so keep your eyes peeled. Once you've spotted it, all you need to do is turn it off. Just a click or a tap, and voila! The pesky shutter noise should be no more. Now, if you're dealing with an entirely different beast, say, the ambient noise captured by your microphone, there's another path to silence. Sometimes what we think is a camera sound is actually sound feedback from your environment. To tackle this, we'll need to take a little detour. Begin by navigating to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the speaker icon. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose Sound Control Panel. This panel is your backstage access to all audio settings on your PC. In the new window, pay attention to the top panel options and select the Recording tab. Here you will see a list of all the microphones connected to your PC. Scan through to find the one you wish to disable. Once located, right-click on it, and from the options that appear, select Disable. This will immediately cut off any unwanted audio capture from that microphone, ensuring your environment remains blissfully quiet. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully muted those obtrusive camera and microphone sounds. Enjoy your newfound quiet, and remember, these steps can always be reversed if you decide you want those sounds back later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and guides.